Hello learners, today you will learn how to make juice as a way of adding value to agricultural produce. What you need: 1 medium-sized ripe pineapple, a tablespoon of sugar or honey, a glass of cold water, sieve, spoon, blender or fruit juicer, jug, and basins. What to do? Wash and rinse the pineapple under running water. Peel the pineapple to remove the outer skin. Cut the pineapple into small cubes to make blending easier. Place the pineapple cubes in a blender. Add a little water and a spoonful of sugar or honey if needed. Blend until it is smooth. Pour the blended juice in a jug. Use a fine sieve to remove the pulp. Press down with a spoon to extract more juice. You can mix the juice with lemon juice to enhance freshness and preservation. Carefully pour the juice into plastic bottles. Leave a little space at the top and seal it tightly. Let the bottle cool at the room temperature.